LD Packaging Company was established in 1991. Since then, it has become an industrial leader in the flexible packaging industry in China as well as North America. Since its establishment, LD Pack has developed into a large, flexible packaging company with a production base which occupies more than 50,000 square meters. The workshop is equipped with 6 sets of 10 to 12 color rotogravure printing machines and lamination production lines, which guarantees an annual production capacity of over 10,000 tons. LD Pack has become a leader in the flexible packaging industry. Over the years, LD Pack has adhered to the business philosophy of quality and innovation and has obtained ISO 9001, HACCP, ISO 14000, and BRC IOP certifications. LD Pack has seamlessly integrated into the international mode of operation and set a benchmark for the industry. Innovation is critical to our success. LD Pack constantly researches the most up-to-date technology and innovative products by a powerful R&D team and has won a number of invention patents. It has developed about 30 unique combinations with different material structures and packaging purposes, including flat-bottom zipper pouches, spout stand-up pouches, easy peelable film, high barrier film, Ziploc bags, large capacity spout pouches, as well as stand-up pouches. Flat-bottom side gusset bags, also known as box pouches, is one of the most unique packaging styles in the industry, which was successfully developed and implemented first by LD Pack. And LD Pack has obtained various invention patents for this pouch technology. Global quality certification and strict health systems are essential for international competitiveness. The factory and production workshops are designed and constructed according to international standards and up to 300,000 grade GMP purification workshop standards. Personnel and logistics have strict access requirements. An environmentally friendly, clean, sanitary, and safe workshop has greatly satisfied companies that have high requirements for workshop cleanliness, such as dairy products and baby food companies. In order to ensure the products can meet EU and FDA health laws and regulations, LD Pack uses environmentally friendly packaging ink and solvent-free packaging lamination technology. Meanwhile, LD Pack has also fulfilled its social responsibility and set up a solvent recovery device to reduce VOC's impact on the atmosphere. Strict pre-press processing ensures the highest quality printing results. LD Pack has advanced 10 to 12 high-precision and high-speed printing machines to meet the different printing requirements of our clients. Automatic high-color matching system unifies and records the color data for these products. High-speed lamination machines, including the solvent-free and extrusion lamination machines, means we can meet the needs of the multi-layer, multi-purpose requirements of our customers. The CCD automatic printing detection system, imported from Japan, quickly recognizes and eliminates printing defects. High-performance pouch making equipment can produce many pouch types, including flat-bottom zipper pouches, spouted stand-up pouches, etc. Automatic welding spout machines greatly improves the lead times and guarantees spout seal quality. Equipped with metal detection equipment, our pouches go through a metal detector scan before shipping to ensure they do not contain any metal or foreign substance. From our raw materials to the final product being shipped, LD Pack is in strict accordance with high production and detection standards to ensure product quality and stability. As products continue to be launched and promoted, LD Pack attracts widespread attention of national and international customers, including Nestle's, Mars, Heinz, and more. LD Pack has created the platform for employees to realize their life's values and have the environment for a happy and healthy work life. We have a large number of incredible employees who strive to learn and improve every single day. We are proud of our employee partners. They are a big part of our future. Looking forward, LD Pack will continue to strive to fulfill the corporate mission, creating internationally accepted and advanced packaging products and being a global packaging enterprise, as well as supporting our customers, employees, shareholders, suppliers, and our community.